Mitharay promise batu Livingstone. Kila ban kelat ya kan ni?
Kata terkasih ngatikan. Saya am beliau. Bagi beliau ndola temian kilong biang kelung. Kini baru armut kelaki samla biang.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Kot Admission nakamta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course, kabala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka By Admission ka Badunatam, but 6% ka Jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka Education Loan.
Usanbuat Menteri Rangba ka Jala ubak kami ya katrat District Council Affairs ubak Preston Tensong haga arpu pratari uyayang arja arpen riu la pentip bag sarkar berulat ka Jala kidang ab ya kaipot jang delimitation committee bathaw de Garo Hills Autonomous District Council shuaban sim ya karai hak biade bojing penlong ya election jang Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ha jing kran bekilat patai kubor ba Tensong le thu baga delimitation committee kadang le la jang kamram shuaban IT ya kaipot sha District Council yak ban haban menjur shwa da ying darbar bat ban pha pat shulat ka Jala nak benta ban ai jing menjur
has constituted the delimitation committee, and now the delimitation committee is on the job to see all these calculations, how to give the report to the District Council, and the District Council will ultimately pass it in the House and send to the Governor for approval. So right now, from the state government or from the side of the Honorable Governor, we are waiting for that. Once that is passed, once that is sent to the Honorable Governor, I am very sure we'll be able to approve it. As per the notification, I think the District Council themselves, they have already notified, and this committee, this delimitation committee, will complete their job as tasked to them within 3 months.
The competition jungi kam judai ka touch lane kam kodyat madiat they are never our competition jungi kedai mangi para guest house para instay para homestay kaya mangisa sadani ki email pa jong apa di amba yan penkala no syaka guest house lane ka homestay kan por bangi penkala ngi ai kerteng ka orange homestay tingi sedang sya no 4 rooms tambah nak forums ni sotho ba mah nomor ni dang kam show ki rooms ke ni lala ban expand nak daw ka floor jam ki tourist kila sedang bon ading in sala ban expand jo showroom at current ni dan khasandu habawan kun kini kita kum mga ngonong mo banga puli for Institute of Hotel Management kun kini ki big companies bawan ship ni kalong big opportunities hingi ki yun pagin yo company ha jaka bangin like shabar bangin tap placement shabar ma ha bangin ladak puli tinggi jaka bangin tap shabar ni layo ban tap ak state lajong kitoris kilong la kajong ka segment ma uba kambet kambiang oleh sa he'll go for touch lane who want that luxury experience oleh touch budget travelers kilai hakim hotel tekidan ki middle class ki kwa ban sa ha pem kini ki instay ki tang kata hang la ban bekam dan jing thot iro yangi ngai baka acknowledge tot ya baro homestays owners lane ki instay lane kiwai ki bentaro recently ngadang should receive ka award ma katin ka gold award jang katu sustainable Indian tourism New York ka orange instay ma to ka tekan ka ni ka company baka government ni ka acknowledge lot ya baro ka trahi ban promote lot ya baro